This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Lisa Murdock. Beautiful, traditional style, home with open floor plan and upgrades galore. Featuring a spacious kitchen that opens into the living area so you can enjoy friends and family while entertaining. Sparkling granite countertops, beautiful cabinets, bar top, and stainless steel appliances. First floor has neutral colors, easy care laminate flooring and formal living and dining rooms. Large family room with gas fireplace and access to the fenced backyard. 4 full bedrooms upstairs with carpet. Community amenities available for tenant enjoyment. Available now. Call/text agent to schedule showing. No pets. No smoking. To apply, copy link, https://www.retrent.com/listings/details/58BCBD8A395940C82B6D607778E7F6913F. For more information, review the details below.